I'm Captain Scout with Bad Juju Charters, and we're out here today in the Halifax River, and I'm going to show you some of the techniques that I use on a daily basis to catch fish. Just a few mullet, some pinfish. There's a good shrimp right there. Probably start off with him. Basically, this is my standard dock rig right here. It's got a liter of 25-pound test fluorocarbon with a circle hook on it. I use Eagle Claws. I think these are 2/0. Small split shot just to keep that shrimp from jumping away from the fish too much. And an adjustable float I can easily take off anytime I need it. Great bait for trout, reds, flounder. I like to nose hook them. Just if you go too deep, you'll kill them. You go too shallow, you won't have anything to cast with. But just right there in the hard cartilage of his nose, he'll stay on there pretty good. He's not, you can't cast him as far as you possibly could, but that way he'll look the most natural to the fish. Set the bobber a little deeper because he's not gonna stay on the bottom.
Was a river hobo, lived and died by the river's bend. Looking back, I still remember I was proud to be his friend. Mama said don't go near that river.
It wasn't the one we saw hit a minute ago. We saw a bigger one just a second ago hitting. That's probably the biggest target species when you're fishing docks. The reds really key in on them, especially during the summer and the heat. They're seeking out that shade. Keep the shrimp the liveliest. I found that if you just hook them right in the middle of that second segment, he'll stay alive all day until something kills him. It shouldn't take long. You just want to set that bobber to a depth where it's just barely hanging off the bottom. See it? It's lying flat right there. That's probably set a little too deep, so I'm gonna slide it down just a little bit. Maybe 2 inches. There. And now it's got an angle.
Right, nice in the town of Bixby. Yeah. Treated for chestnut man.
On a circle hook. I don't usually fish them with circles. But this is a great way to catch a real mixed bag of species. These guys are real spiky. You gotta wait until they give you an opportunity to grab them, or you'll get spiked. Just not much of a grip on a sheephead either. Squeeze his gills together, he won't move as much. Has a solid 14-inch keeper. Good eating. Pretty fish too. Get some gnarly teeth. Oh no. Every other day. The full moon was a couple days where they didn't bite at all. Don't get them every time.